Okay, so I've got another video on machine grips, and you must be wondering why I make so many videos only on grips. It is very, very important because once you get the right size grip, everything becomes easy. Like your lining, color packing, everything is great when you have the right size grip. So this, I'll tell you exactly what's happening here. So this grip is uh, it's a 20 it's a 28 yeah, it's a 27 mm grip. It's 25 to 27 mm, not exactly sure, sorry about that. Okay, so this is a 25 mm grip, I believe, and this is 30 mm. So there's not a lot of difference here, but there is a little bit of size difference. Yeah. This one is heavier and this one is lighter because there's there's a lot of material that has been removed, so it's become light. But this, there's not a lot of material that's been removed. So in these grooves that you see, this has a lot of grooves in it. This doesn't have a lot of grooves. This is 27 mm, this is 30 mm, so that's all the difference. But because of these grooves, there's a lot of material that's been removed, so this is slightly lighter than this. But uh, diameter wise it's the same. I mean, there's a difference, but it's somewhat the same. I use this only for color packing because I find it easy to hold this. With this, I do lining work mainly, but when I do lines, I use a tissue paper. I mean, a paper towel, you can call it. So, what I do is, I'll explain why I do it first. So, when you hold, so I'll take off my other fingers. So, you see this gap over here? Yep. This gap is what makes your grip move. So when suppose you're holding your grip like this, okay, there's a gap. Yeah. So when you line with it, it gives space for the grip to move. And if you have a shaky hand and there's a gap, the line becomes worse. So the your finger also moves sometimes. So what you can do is you need to fill that gap. So the best way to do is take a paper towel, take the size of the grip, fold it, and then you can either tape it or you can just wrap it. I try to leave so much space and wrap it at the top. You can do it anyhow. You need to try your own thing. You need to keep wrapping with a lot of towels. I use 1.5 paper towel. For the video, I'm just showing one, and I put a band, and then I wrap it with a magic tape. So what that does is it has filled that gap. See? So it gives less space for the grip to move. So the minute the grip stops moving, I mean, there's something filling that gap, your hand becomes stable automatically. You can use a larger size grip, but then there's an increase in weight, so you need to take care of weight also sometimes. So this is what I would suggest: take a grip, buy different size grips and see what works best. I would suggest a 25 to 27 mm grip, stainless steel grip. For lining you need solid lines, and use a tissue. If that's not enough, what you can also do is fold it into half. Yeah, fold it into half and just wrap the top part. just wrap the top part. So now you get this shape. So when you wrap it with the magic tape, you get kind of a taper shape, something like, if your grip is like this, you put paper towel over here so much, and you wrap it with magic tape, so you get this shape. It's like a taper conical shape, so that fits well with your hand. So when you do lines, you can also control easily, and it doesn't shake that much. So you can just give that a try and see how it goes, and let me know what whether it has made any difference. And I would say try out all different shapes and sizes of wraps. Like, use 3 paper towels. If that doesn't work, use 4. If that doesn't work, use 1.5, 1, 2. Try out different combinations and do the lines. Once you get your sweet spot, keep in mind how much paper towels has gone into the wrap. So when your client comes in, you just need to pick up so much paper towels, fold it, wrap it, and then you're good to go. So you don't have to keep a track of, oh, I need to count how many towels and all that. Simple. Do this, try it out, it should work. It will definitely take off some of the vibrations, and you'll get a clean line when you have paper towel wrapped, because it makes the grip fit in between the shape of your fingers. Like, when you curl up the fingers to hold the grip, there shouldn't be gaps. This is just my preference, this is what I do to get good lines. So I'm just sharing whatever I know, and you just have to try it out. If it doesn't work, good. See what works for you and stick on to it. This has worked for me very well, and that's why I'm giving out these tips. So please let me know what you want to see in my next video, because I've got a request for color packing, which I'll be doing very soon. And I've done lines. Shading, yes, I need to do a video on shading as well. I'll do a video on how to use magnums to do line work, and for shading, color packing, everything. And yeah, this video is purely on grips. This I use straight. I don't wrap it with the paper towels, just a magic tape, and I use it for color packing. This is quite heavy, and I've got a heavy shading machine, so that's why I use this grip. It's heavy, but it stays planted in my hand. This is for lines. This is a 30 mm grip, and this is 25 to 27 mm. Um, yeah, that's about it. So don't forget to subscribe. So please subscribe to my channel, it'll help me grow as well. And let me know if you found this video helpful, because I have been doing videos, but I get few comments saying that it has helped them, but I want to know whether it's actually helping or not. So I'll keep doing more videos, and let me know if you want to see any particular topic. So color packing, yeah, it's down the line. I'll be doing a video on color packing very soon. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching.